Welcome. If you've ever wondered who's been checking out your Snapchat story, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to see your story views on Snapchat updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're curious about your friends, tracking engagement, or just want to know who's watched your snaps, it only takes a few seconds to find out. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet. Once you're in, you'll land on the camera screen, that familiar spot where you can take photos and videos. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page where you can see your Snap score, memories, and most importantly, your stories. Now, find your current story under the My Stories section and tap on it. This will open up the snaps that you've posted to your story within the last 24 hours. If your story has already expired, you won't see it here, so make sure you're checking while it's still active. When your story opens, look towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice an eye-shaped views icon. Tap that icon. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a detailed list of everyone who viewed your story. The usernames will appear in order, starting with the most recent viewers at the top. If no one's viewed it yet, don't worry. Once people start watching, their names will show up here automatically. That's it. You've just learned how to check your story views on Snapchat. It's quick, easy, and super helpful if you want to keep track of your audience or see who's staying up to date with your latest moments. If this guide helped you, make sure to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful Snapchat tips and updates. Thanks for watching.